my favorite Apple accessories that I actually use. Anker PowerBank, the most used accessory from this list. I use it to charge not only my phone but headphones, drone. It's amazing. Cases, Apple Silicone case. I bought it, but I'm sick of the green color, so I bought this cheap Spigen Liquid Air case, and it's fine. I really like the design. It's more slippery, so I have to be careful. But right now I'm in the mood on the dark color. The silicone case, Apple, it's great. Screen protector from like a random company on Amazon. It works fine, right? You have to use it to protect your phone when you use iPhone. My favorite tripod, mini tripod, Ulanzi MT-08. Very small, good grip. Cannot complain. The moving head and the adapter to GoPro accessories. I didn't know about this, but yeah, now I can use my old GoPro accessories with my phone. And my favorite mount, chest mount. I love the POV perspective from the chest mount. I think it's really looks great on YouTube. The different perspective, I really like it. And the mounts, I think I have them from my really old tripods. So my favorite headphones, Galaxy Buds Live. You can check out the review of them on my channel. I really like them. And the very old Sony noise cancelling headphones, I forgot the name, but thousands X3 something. Basic Apple Watch charger, works fine. And some random car mounts, YOSH. I found this on Amazon. I cannot complain. It was really cheap, and it's fine for short road trips. And finally, Apple Watch Series 7. I use it to remotely turn on the camera on my iPhone, and sometimes it doesn't really work good, so I'm frustrated, but yeah, it really helps. Thanks for watching.